What if I told you that one of Korea's most famous street foods doesn't start in a food truck or roadside stall, but inside a modern factory capable of producing thousands of hot dogs every single day? From the outside, a Korean hot dog looks simple: a crispy golden coating, a sausage hidden inside, maybe some melted cheese stretching with every bite. But behind that satisfying crunch lies an impressive production process involving industrial mixers, automated coating systems, frying machines, freezing tunnels, and high-speed packaging lines. And here's what makes Korean hot dogs different from ordinary hot dogs.
Many versions combine mozzarella cheese, sausage, crispy potato cubes, breadcrumbs, sweet sugar coatings, and flavorful sauces all in a single product. So how do factories mass-produce these crispy Korean hot dogs while maintaining the same taste, texture, and appearance in every batch? Today, we're going inside a Korean food factory to follow the complete journey from raw ingredients to the finished hot dog ready for supermarkets, restaurants, and street food vendors.
The process begins with the arrival of ingredients. Large quantities of flour, sugar, salt, yeast, cornmeal, breadcrumbs, sausages, mozzarella cheese, cooking oil, and packaging materials are delivered to the factory. Before production starts, quality control teams inspect every ingredient to ensure it meets company standards. Once approved, the ingredients are transferred to their respective preparation areas. The first major stage involves preparing the dough. Industrial mixers combine flour, water, yeast, sugar, and other ingredients inside large stainless steel mixing tanks. Powerful mixing blades knead the ingredients until a smooth and elastic dough forms. Unlike ordinary bread dough, Korean hot dog dough must have a specific texture that allows it to coat the filling evenly while producing a crispy exterior after frying. After mixing, the dough enters a proofing stage. During this process, the yeast becomes active and helps develop the dough's structure. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to ensure consistent results. As the dough rests, it becomes softer, more flexible, and easier to work with during later production stages. While the dough is being prepared, another section of the factory focuses on the fillings. Large batches of sausages are inspected and cut into precise lengths. At the same time, blocks of mozzarella cheese are processed into uniform sticks. Some products use only cheese, while others combine both cheese and sausage to create the classic Korean hot dog experience that many customers love. Now comes one of the most recognizable stages in the entire process: skewering. Automated machines insert wooden sticks through the center of the fillings. Depending on the product type, the skewer may hold a sausage, a cheese stick, or a combination of both. Maintaining the correct position is important because it affects the final appearance and balance of the product. Once assembled, the skewers move toward the coating section. This is where the transformation begins. The skewered fillings pass through large containers of prepared dough. Specialized coating equipment ensures every surface is covered evenly. The thick layer of dough completely surrounds the cheese and sausage, creating the foundation for the crispy outer shell that will later develop during frying. But Korean hot dogs are famous for more than just dough. Many varieties receive additional coatings that give them their unique texture and appearance. Some products are rolled in breadcrumbs, others are coated with crunchy cornmeal, and some of the most popular versions are covered with small cubes of potato. The potato coating process is especially fascinating. Fresh potatoes are cut into tiny cubes and distributed evenly over the dough-covered skewers. The result is a product that will develop a distinctive crispy texture after frying. At this stage, the hot dogs already look impressive, but they're still completely uncooked. Now comes the moment that changes everything: deep frying. The coated hot dogs enter large industrial fryers filled with carefully heated cooking oil. As they move through the fryer, the dough begins turning golden brown. Moisture escapes from the surface, while the coating develops its signature crispiness. Meanwhile, the cheese inside becomes soft and melty, and the sausage heats thoroughly. The transformation happens surprisingly fast. Within minutes, the pale dough-coated skewers become the golden Korean hot dogs people recognize instantly. As the hot dogs leave the fryer, they pass through oil draining systems designed to remove excess oil from the surface. This helps improve texture while preventing the final product from becoming greasy. Next, the products move along cooling conveyors. Cooling is important because it stabilizes the structure of the coating and prepares the hot dogs for the next stages of production. And this is where Korean hot dogs become even more unique. Unlike many other fried foods, some Korean hot dogs receive a light sugar coating. Fine sugar is sprinkled across the warm surface, creating a subtle sweet flavor that contrasts with the savory sausage and cheese inside. For many people outside Korea, this combination may seem unusual, but it has become one of the defining characteristics of Korean-style hot dogs. Some freshly prepared products are then finished with sauces such as ketchup, mustard, spicy Korean sauces, cheese sauces, or sweet chili sauces. In restaurants and street food locations, these toppings are often added immediately before serving. As the products exit the freezing tunnel, they move toward automated packaging systems. Each hot dog is carefully wrapped and sealed inside protective packaging. High-speed machinery applies labels containing nutritional information, cooking instructions, ingredient lists, and production dates. Modern packaging lines can process thousands of units every hour. Advanced inspection systems verify package integrity and ensure every product meets company standards before shipment. Once packaged, the hot dogs are transferred into large frozen storage warehouses. These facilities maintain carefully controlled temperatures while products wait for distribution. From there, refrigerated trucks transport the frozen hot dogs to distributors across the country. Some shipments remain within Korea.
Others are exported internationally to meet growing global demand for Korean street food. Eventually, the products reach their final destination. Whether they're prepared in a restaurant fryer, heated inside a convenience store, or cooked at home, the result is the same crispy golden snack that has become famous around the world. Behind every Korean hot dog lies a complex manufacturing process involving dough preparation, cheese processing, sausage preparation, coating systems, industrial fryers, automated packaging equipment, and nationwide distribution networks.
What looks like a simple street food snack is actually the result of modern food engineering, precision manufacturing, and carefully controlled production systems working together. So the next time you bite into a crispy Korean hot dog and see that famous cheese stretch, remember the incredible journey it completed before reaching your hands. And that is how millions of crispy Korean hot dogs are made inside a modern Korean food factory. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory journey, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing food production and manufacturing stories. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.